everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Real Examples. I'm Eric.
And I'm Jessica. We're so happy you're here. Today, we'll practice everyday English sentences you can use in real life.
If you want to improve your English step by step, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow this podcast.
All right, today's topic is simple daily routine sentences. We'll teach you useful phrases, repeat them together, and give easy examples. Let's start. Phrase number 1. I wake up at. Repeat with us. I wake up at.
Example. I wake up at 7 a.m. One more time. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good job. Now you try. What time do you wake up?
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth after I wake up. Simple, clear. Let's say it again together. I brush my teeth after I wake up. Now listen to this. I have breakfast. Repeat, I have breakfast.
Real example. I have breakfast at 8. My breakfast is bread and tea. Very easy. You can also say, my quick breakfast is a banana. Phrase number 4. I go to work or I go to school. Repeat. I go to work or I go to school.
Example, I go to school by bus. Another one, I go to work at 9 a.m. At the end of the day, you can say, I'm tired. Repeat with us, I'm tired.
Example, I'm tired after work. One more time, I'm tired after work.
Okay, let's listen again and repeat all the sentences. Ready? I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I have breakfast. I go to work/I go to school. I'm tired.
Great job. You're doing amazing. Let's practice a short mini dialogue.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30. And you?
I wake up at 7. Then I brush my teeth and have breakfast.
Nice. I have coffee and toast for breakfast.
Simple and good. Dear listeners, try to answer too.
Let's quickly review today's key phrases. I wake up at. I brush my teeth. I have breakfast. I go to work or school. I'm tired.
You did a great job today. Keep practicing every day. Even small sentences help you grow.
Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend.
See you next time. Bye.